Yes.
What is this, man?
The camera has been covered.
What are you looking at, man? Hey, remove that shirt, dude.
Yes, sir. We can never trust these girls ever.
Why? You should have removed that too, no? Hey, follow me, guys.
What she would have done by
What was she
covering the
doing taking
camera?
his shirt out?
I don't understand anything.
Get lost, idiot.
Please get in, sir.
Ramesh,
Sir?
Mr. Selvan,
Yes, sir.
you go check upstairs.
Definitely,
You
sir.
two guys check in the ground floor.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Check in this bedroom.
Yes, sir.
Watchman,
We have got the travels bill. Let us inform to the ACP. Sir, they have booked tickets to go to USA.
City Travel Agency. Vishwanathan Rajesh. Okay then. Security,
Sir?
let me know if the house owner comes. You have
Yes,
to come
sir.
whenever we call.
Definitely, sir.
Okay?
Yeah, sir. Madam, it won't be of any help if you don't eat anything. Kindly eat.
Little.
No.
Hmm.
Rajesh, please.
Don't say
I'm
no.
done,
Eat a bit,
Rajesh.
Prabha.
No.
Please.
Hey,
For my
please.
sake. Hmm?
Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Ah. Ah.
Enough.
If you want to escape from here, the plan is in the plate.
Oh my God. Oh God. I want to see my baby. Show me my baby. to see.
Madam, first I want you to eat, then I'll show the kid to you.
You are not humans. You have hostage my child. Without knowing whether my baby had food or not, how will I have? Okay, I'll do whatever you say. Please show my baby to me. Please.
Cool, madam. You want to look at your kid, right? Okay. Hey, she wants to look at the kid. Take it inside. Careful. Bring it in.
Our box idea is amazing.
Careful.
Even the police can't find it out. After all, it's us. Sir, please open the door.
Careful. Slowly. Wait.
What is this? You have put baby here. Yes,
Mummy, those people hid me in that box, Mummy.
Nothing will happen. Nothing. Nothing will happen. What?
Mummy, where is Daddy?
He will come, baby.
When will he come?
He will come.
I'm very hungry, Mummy.
You're hungry?
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Wait a minute. There's no poison in this, right?
Your life is very valuable to me. You can trust me and eat it.
Is it good?
Hmm.
If you have stomach full, you'll not feel hungry, okay?
Mummy, you also didn't eat, no?
I'll have after you finish having. Thank you, my baby. Have it. One more piece? Have it. It's good, no? You want water? Open your mouth. Okay, come on, have some more.
Hello, kid.
I want
What are you doing? Leave
Hey,
my baby,
leave her.
please. No.
Leave her.
No.
Come,
Leave
kid.
my baby. No. Don't do that.
Please sit down. Please
What
sit
are
down.
you doing? Leave him.
Close it, man. Close it.
Mummy.
Leave
Close
him.
it. Push it forward. Push it forward.
Isai, please.
Push it forward,
please.
man.
No.
Yeah, push it forward.
Isai.
Go inside.
Isai.
Go
My
inside.
Baby. My baby. Isai. You. Isai. Isai. Isai.
They have taken the tickets from here. They should have traveled to US last night.
Can you confirm if they have traveled it yesterday?
Sure, sir. Hello, I'm calling from City Travels. Okay. Sir, they have not traveled yesterday night. They have not cancelled the tickets also.
Okay, do you have any other information about these passengers?
Oh, we have. They are the regular customers for us. US citizenship. Every once in a year they visit India.
Do you have their passport copy or visa copy? Can you please check it and let me know?
We have, sir. This is their copy.
If you have their phone number, kindly note it in the backside. You told us that you tried connecting with them, right? Supposedly you get a call from them. Kindly inform me soon.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. What's this, Maya? I can't find the toe ring, also the nuptial thread. Dude, she's from America. How can she wear the nuptial thread? What you told is right, Maya.
Now check what is she doing?
It's wow. Just look at the way her body is. Correct. It's just amazing. Yeah, man. Does she look like a mother of a 3-year-old? She looks like a beautiful college-going girl. It's Maya who knows everything about her. Huh. It would have been better if we had studied medicine rather than engineering. Yeah, that's true.
Mummy? 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 Mummy?
Isai! Baby, you came? You're coming.
Mummy? Open, Mummy.
Baby, I'm so sorry, baby. Are you hungry?
Maya, the kid has just run away there.
I'm right here. I will come. I'm not able to open this.
Hey, where are you going? Just come back.
No!
Mummy!
No!
Mummy!
Isai!
Mummy!
Bloody door! No! Please leave him!
I'm asking you to shut up. I just order you to be silent. This kid is bothering too much. Keep quiet.
Please leave him!
If you try to escape again...
No! Don't touch her!
Hey, I'm saying you, just keep quiet. Tie her very hard, man.
What are you guys doing?
She tried escaping, sir.
So what? She's a kid, man. Come aside.
This small kid will never ever listen to us.
If she's not listening, you'll tie her up.
Yes, now he started.
What, kid?
I want Mummy.
You want to meet your mom, right? Come. Take it. Speak now.
Mummy! Mummy! This uncle is beating me.
Isai!
Mummy! Mummy, please talk, Mummy.
Why, baby? Why are you crying?
These uncles are beating me, Mummy. They are closing my mouth, Mummy. They are not allowing to meet you, Mummy.
You have to be patient, okay? You listen to me, right?
Daddy will come now, Mummy.
Daddy will come in sometime and he will take us both. Okay, na? Until then, be a good girl and you should not cry. Okay?
Okay, Mummy. Don't cry, Mummy.
Take the kid and look after her.
We should get scoldings because of her. Be careful while placing her, man. It's so foolish of us to let her go. Just get inside.
This is Adyar house. This is the spot where accident happened. We only see the car in the accident spot. We don't have any information about the people who are sitting in the car. We only have the number plate to trace. Then?
In the RT office, we investigated and found out. Rajesh, Prabhavati and Tamil Shekhar. These 3 people were supposed to travel to US today. Meanwhile, while we inquired about them in the travels, we got to know they didn't go to the US. It's not just that, the car in which they were traveling had met with an accident. That's the case. Those 3 people should have been in the car, but they are not. What happened to them is still a big question. Sir, in case they might have been admitted to the nearby hospital.
Exactly. Within 10-kilometer radius, check all the hospitals. Whether there are any people who are admitted during that time. Okay? We are running short of time. Hurry up.
Maya, come here. What happened?
The girl just broke the plate.
Okay. 1 minute. Come here.
He started it again. What is he going to do now?
Yes, boss. Yes. Yes. Okay, boss. Green color box, huh? Okay, boss. Madam name? Chandralekha madam, huh? Okay, boss. I'll be there in 10 minutes. I'll be back in 30 minutes. No one should go inside. I'll be back. Come.